Milk left at room temperature during summer, it gets converted into curd. An iron pan exposed to open environment for certain days get rusted. If you can see, I am holding one iron nail. It has got rust on it. So this is because it was exposed for a longer duration of time and the rust got deposited on it. When we cook food, what we observe? It gets converted into certain thing. Milk left for certain days or certain time during summer gets converted into curd. Here what we observe? We observe one thing, that these substances gets converted into a new substance. What is it called as? We call it as chemical change. Perform certain experiments that will give you an insight what is chemical change. As you know, this is a test tube holder. I am holding in my hand one magnesium ribbon. What I am going to do, we'll burn this magnesium ribbon and we'll classify and we'll try to observe what are the changes taking place. So observe it very, very carefully. When I am burning this magnesium ribbon, it is catching fire and it is producing a very beautiful dazzling white light. What is this called? Here this magnesium ribbon is burning out and getting converted into ash. So my dear students, you need to observe these changes. Note down these changes. At the end of this activity, we'll try to know what is a chemical change and what is a chemical reaction and the definition of chemical reaction. Now, we'll move on to another experiment. I am holding a test tube containing copper sulfate solution and I have one cleaned new iron nail in my hand. What I will do, I will put this iron nail inside the test tube and we'll try to observe after some certain time what are the changes taking place in this test tube. For now, I'll keep this for some time and we'll move on to some other experiment to observe what are the changes taking place. I have in this sodium sulfate, we'll prepare a solution of sodium sulfate. I'm taking a very little amount of sodium sulfate. We'll prepare sodium sulfate solution. Now, after preparing sodium sulfate solution, we'll prepare barium chloride solution. We'll prepare barium chloride solution taking in another test tube. Observe it, and as you can see, both the solutions are ready. Now your turn is to observe what is the change taking place in it. I will be adding this solution into this test tube, so just observe the change that taking place. My dear students, did you observe anything? There we observe one white color precipitation. We observe certain kind of changes. What are those changes? First case, magnesium ribbon when burned, it burns with a white flame and produces ash. Now I will be showing you the second experiment that we were doing. Earlier this iron nail was completely clear. Now you can see there is a deposition on the iron nail. That means the change is that we observe a deposition on the iron nail. The third experiment that we did, there we observe one white color precipitation. So these are the changes that we observe. What we call it as? We call it as chemical reaction. We will be discussing about chemical reactions and equations.